from the lake over there.
Is that a blanket or just something like a warm?
Hey guys, we've got company. Let's just move away from stuff.
It's a bear. It's a bear.
It's fine. We're fine. Just calmly walk over here. We're fine. You too, sir. Now, please. Let's just give the bear a minute. He's got to move on. Just let the bear be.
Whoa, what's...
Sitting in my chair. Sitting in my chair.
That is insane. That cannot hold cycle.
Okay, can we go back to work now, Mr. Ranger?
The bear's now leaving. Okay, gang. It's clear for us to go back to set.
It's a polar bear.
All we wanted to do is use the bar.